let's get right into it. We're tackling a huge question in AI today. What's the real difference between an AI that just works, in a flashy demo, and an AI that you can actually trust to run your business? Because let me tell you, that distinction can literally make or break a company.
I mean, just let that sink in for a second. This isn't some far-off sci-fi movie plot anymore. It's happening now. Autonomous AI agents are stepping out of the lab and becoming active, contributing members of our teams. Okay, so let's dig into what this really means. We are watching a major shift happen right before our eyes. We're moving beyond simple automation and into the era of what you could call digital employees. These are autonomous agents that can handle pretty complex jobs all by themselves. And we're not talking about simple, repetitive tasks here. No, these agents are being trusted with some really critical stuff. Things an actual employee would do, like managing customer emails, sorting out support tickets, and even updating core business systems. These are actions with real, tangible consequences. So that begs the question, right? What happens when one of these super powerful new employees has a bad day and makes a mistake? Well, unlike a human error that you might catch and fix, an AI's mistake can happen at machine speed, creating this massive, unstoppable ripple effect. And that's the key word right there, fast. The source material really hammers this point home. A single bad decision from an AI doesn't just create one little problem. It can cascade through your entire organization in minutes. We're not talking hours or days, we're talking minutes. And here's exactly how that disaster unfolds. See? It all starts with one seemingly tiny, incorrect update. But that single error immediately starts corrupting other data. Next thing you know, your customer-facing services are hit, and boom, your entire business is dealing with a massive disruption. It's a perfect digital domino effect. Which, of course, brings us to the most important point of this whole conversation. The real test of an AI agent isn't just, can it do the job? The question we need to be asking is, can it do the job reliably every single time? I absolutely love this comparison because it just cuts right to the chase. A successful demo, that's just one data point. It's a cool trick. But a reliable agent, well, that's a foundation you can actually build your business on. It's a trustworthy process that you know will perform under pressure. So it all boils down to this. We have to demand more from these AI systems. And the first demand is consistency. It's not good enough for an agent to get it right most of the time. It has to nail its task correctly every single time, no exceptions. Next up is safety. This one's huge. What happens when the AI runs into something it doesn't recognize? A truly safe system has guardrails. It knows its own limits. It knows when to stop, when to flag a human for help, and how to fail gracefully without bringing the whole system down with it. And finally, the third pillar, predictability. A business has to understand how its AI agent is going to behave. It can't be some mysterious black box where you just cross your fingers and hope for the best. Its actions have to be understandable and, well, predictable, even as it learns and gets updated. You see, in the end, this isn't just some tech problem for the engineers to figure out. No way. This is a brand new management challenge for every business leader out there. We're not just deploying another piece of software. We are literally integrating a whole new kind of workforce. Which leaves us with this one final and really critical question to think about. As we start handing over more and more responsibility to these autonomous agents, are our companies actually ready to manage, to govern, and to trust this incredibly powerful new digital workforce? That's something we all need to be asking ourselves. Thanks for tuning in.